Hey guys, this is Celine, the event organizer for the Crate for Fukushima Charity Fair event. That's next Saturday, May 30th from 12 to 5 p.m. We're going to have workshops, services, and a raffle with 3 different prizes. And I'm excited to tell you a little bit about what's going to be happening. So how can you participate in a workshop? Simply by going to our Facebook event page or YouTube channel. We'll be having those live streamed to both of those simultaneously. They'll be the exact same content. You don't need to worry you're missing out on anything. We're actually going to have quite a few workshops available for you this time, so I'm very excited to tell you a little bit about those. We're going to have making paper beads, making a simple paper mobile or backdrop, making origami and button flowers, drawing popular characters like Mickey Mouse, drawing area mascots, Fukushima City's Momorin and Black Momorin, and Kensanuma's Hoyaboya. We'll also be having hair braiding, both beginner and intermediate. Those will be back to back, so in case you want to participate in the beginner one, see what level that is, and then you can stick around for the intermediate one in case you decide you're a little bit more advanced than that. We'll also be having the writing English calligraphy workshop. Lou is going to give us a nice basic intro to writing English calligraphy. The workshops are completely free, but if you are able to donate right now, we do ask that you please consider it. The point of the day is, in the end, to raise money for the charities we'll be supporting. The services are still going to be taking place. We have 3 services available and 1 thing you can purchase. We'll be having English calligraphy for 500 yen. That includes 1 to 2 words on A5 size paper. We'll have portrait drawing for 500 yen as well, and that includes 1 hand-drawn picture based off of a picture you provide. We'll also have social distancing photography sessions for later use available for 1500 yen. That includes a 1-hour session and 30 edited photos. We'll also be having paper mobile kits available for 500 yen, so if you participate in that paper mobile workshop and you decide, I don't have the nice paper for this, but I really want to make one, don't worry, I've got your back. I will be making some of these paper mobile kits. You can purchase one and it's going to have the nice washi paper, it's going to have beads and string and even a needle that you can use in order to make a nice mobile. They're just going to be capped at 10 maximum per service, so there will be 10 calligraphies, 10 portraits, 10 photography sessions, and 10 mobile kits available. We're going to be mailing those to you, so you'll just need to provide your mailing address that's within Japan. I have to restrict it to within Japan because as soon as I start mailing things abroad, it gets a little too expensive. We're still going to have our raffle. It's going to be 1 ticket for 200 yen or 3 tickets for 500 yen. You can put those tickets to any prize specifically and it will only be for that prize, so you don't have to worry that you're getting something you don't want. One of our prizes is by Phil Cullen. He is going to be donating a delightful work of art for us to raffle off and I'm very excited. I'm going to post a picture of that as soon as I get it so you can be excited for it. To purchase a ticket for the raffle or service, you'll just need to go to our Facebook event page, donate to the fundraiser on that page, and then I will contact you personally and get all the information for either the services or the raffle tickets you want to purchase and which prizes you want them to go to. You'll need to donate publicly so I can see who and how much has been donated, so that way I get you the right amount of tickets and services. The charities we'll be supporting are the SORA Animal Shelter. They are based in Fukushima City and Fukushima Prefecture, and they help animals who were affected by the 2011 triple disaster. They help animals who were forcibly abandoned or just couldn't be cared for anymore, and they get those animals adopted or let them live out their best life on their compound in Fukushima City. We'll also be supporting the World Health Organization's COVID-19 Solidarity Response Fund. They've been on top of coronavirus since it began, and they get personal protective equipment and funds to people who need it and who are working on the front lines. So I hope that you will help us in supporting those charities by purchasing a service or raffle tickets. The fundraiser on Facebook will be a personal fundraiser only because SORA Animal Shelter is set up as a non-profit, but they don't have the fundraising abilities set up on their page. The World Health Organization also does not have a direct Facebook fundraiser link for the COVID-19 Solidarity Response Fund, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have all of the donations go into one fundraiser, and at the end of the fair I'm going to splice that in half and I'm going to send it out immediately to the charities we are supporting, the COVID-19 Solidarity Response Fund and SORA Animal Shelter. I will post a donation receipt immediately as I get it so you can see that I have donated all of the money, so you don't need to worry. It will be going to the charities immediately. Again, I'm very excited for next Saturday. I'm so pumped to see all of the raffle prizes and to see all of you in the workshops. I hope that you will join us for that day. Just let yourself relax a bit, enjoy some craft time, or just come hang out with us in the chat. So I hope to see you next Saturday. Please stay safe where you are and be healthy. See you on Saturday, May 30th from 12 to 5 p.m.